Hello everyone. Hi Branch, mostly working on assembly demo but joining for inspiration. That's awesome. How are you? How are you everyone? What a day. I just noticed that we have 200 followers. This is amazing. Like, oh my god. How did this happen? Doing good. That's good. Yay. Woo! Indeed. I'm doing good. Today was my first day at a new job. It was kind of scary and exciting and everything. Like a lot of emotions from... well... a lot of emotions, let's say that. But I feel good about it. I feel that it was very nice environment and very nice day, indeed. I just opened the Bonsmatic and see that there is still my duck shader from last Sunday. Let's show it. There the ducks go. Honk honk. What shall we do today? Last week we did some ducks. Some very cubic ducks. Maybe we should do cats today. Because cats are awesome. And maybe do a bit.
You're listening to SceneSet Radio.
Bet differently this. Not so cubic cats. And also maybe a bit more modular code, because this is kind of hard to watch. So... I'm gonna check that I have my last week's shader on GitHub, so I didn't kind of forget to put it there or something. Yes, I have shader from last week. So it's all good. I'm gonna do just to be sure, I'm just gonna copy paste this code to a text editor so I don't lose it when I start editing. But yeah, let's do some cats today. Cats. Out of something. Let's set that today's theme. Where do I find my things? I moved some stuff around in my PC. I tried to find a good directory structure for the new machine, and I'm not quite there yet. So things are in the wrong places very often. But okay. Let's draw some cats. I'm gonna start by taking the fog out first. And then let's get rid of everything. Let's get rid of everything here. And let's draw just a sphere. Everything starts with spheres. Oh, I don't have sphere function here. Well, box then. So let's start with some placeholder. Bye bye ducks. Now we have a very black darkness and then a very gray box. Let's maybe do just this because this kind of bothers me. Because why not? Okay. So cats are more spheres as ducks were more cubes, I guess. So let's draw some spheres here. Yeah. But cats like boxes, so should I do a cat in a box then? Maybe. So what are cats made of? They have head that is round. Then we could make the body out of ellipse, or maybe we could make the head out of ellipse too. But let's start with a sphere. Cats are made out of meow and fluff. That's true. Meow. Oh. It's important to keep meow counter on. Okay, so yeah. Huh? Why did I... Where is my brain today? I guess not here. But let's make a function for cat. Then it's probably easier to do some background stuff too. What is a brain? I don't know. Something to eat. Okay, I'm gonna find some more functions. I don't remember the ellipse function by heart, so I'm checking some references here. IQ has very nice article about distance functions that I just linked to the chat. So let's check that out and see how we do a ellipse. And I just accidentally started Rocket. Maybe this is some universe hinting me that I should really do a demo for assembly. What was it? Creative tech thing? So yeah, ellipsoid. Let's start with that. Assembly has only 30 minutes compose, so better make a lot of noise demos there. Noise, not nice, but nice noise demos maybe. Yeah. We did a Aate Korjaamo demo for Deadline that was last weekend. It won the last place in the compo. But it's okay. Yeah. I hope it doesn't. Yeah, I'm taking my vacation from assembly organizing quite good, because I have no idea what's planned and what's happening and why. So yeah, first let's take length. That's the position divided by the radius, and then the other one is length, which is position divided by radius squared. And then let's return k0 times k0 minus 1 divided by k1. Okay, this is not an exact bound, but what am I doing wrong here?
Good morning, Frolic. How are you doing?
Good morning, Meatwad.
This is a good day.
Oh. Oh, I mean... Whoops. Huge pressure to make it a banger. Don't ever do what you don't like doing. And I'm quite sure that you are doing a good demo, Ranch. Okay, so yeah, we're making a cat out of ellipses and stuff like that. And also, I'm still surprised that we have 200 followers. Like, that's insane. It's good, but a lot of time has to be spent on polishing now. Yeah, I know the feeling, I know the feeling. Even though I still do kind of fast and dirty myself, but yeah, I appreciate that some people put a bit more effort. It doesn't mean that I don't put effort to my demos, no. But, like, yeah. I just have different working style. It's very deadline-driven development that I do, which probably isn't the most healthiest way to do, well, basically anything. But I'm still doing it. But yeah, what else do we need for a cat? So now we can have like 2 ellipsoids here. The other one is a head and the other one is the body. Or I mean like sphere and ellipsoid, both. I have no idea. What dimensions of the ellipsoid I should do, but let's do something. Let's do some nice shapes. Okay. Good enough. I'm not sure what I'm doing here, but okay. So yeah. We're building a cat like we would build a snowman. Okay. Okay. That's the start of a cat. That's the start of a cat. I'm just thinking of... Yeah. How to maybe make this different looking. But I don't have a good shading now, so... So it will be a bit... Nah. Well, let's just keep it like that. Okay. And for the head we need... This is more like a snowman than a cat. I have no idea what a cat looks like. But if we just make it fluffy, then it can be just a ball of fluff. Like, right? Okay, we need some cone-like shape. Or like, or ears. To make ears. Some triangular shape. I'm looking what we have. Triangular prism, maybe? Or then we do some cone and just work with that. Huh. Yeah. Maybe we do this kind of triangular prism thing. Or maybe I just... Nah. I'm too lazy to type the whole thing. Oh no, I wasn't. I should have stick with the cubes and do a cubic cat. Okay, symmetry, yes. And then we return the maximum of this minus this of something that I will just copy paste because this is some secret science here. Like, what number is that? Is that a... It's not a pi, but is it a phi? No, that would be 2 times pi. And this is just something very random. So maybe it's just something very random. That it's like good enough. Maybe it's like that. So let's see how it works if we add ears here. Ears go to head. Also, for that I need to do this kind of a... well, yeah. I would probably need to do another function for head to do this properly, but what the heck. So I take a symmetry on x-axis. Speaking is difficult. To separate the ears. Yes, I make both ears the same time. And of course for this I need to do this. Because otherwise it would be a bit disastrous. No. I don't know what happens here, so let's just try something out. Also, those will be now somewhere very wrong place, because I need to offset this. Oh. Okay, now I have ears there. They are like there somewhere. So now I just adjust them to place. And I should somehow... Should I do maybe... change the parameters a bit? Yes. Bit larger ears for one. And then I should bend those a bit. Okay. For that we have also some instructions in the document. How to bend stuff. So basically, we just bend this bit. How much do we bend? I don't know. Okay, so this just does a rotation matrix for this, which is kind of a nice way to do this. I use just this kind of... By the way, could I do it with that just without bending, but just like adding an angle to the... But I should rotate these ears like to the opposite directions. Now they will rotate to the same direction, I think. But so will this will do the same, I think. Well, it's worth a try. It's worth a try still. Well, yes. What axis is that? That is a z-axis. So yeah, I'm a bit how to say it, not on my best today. Yes, this will do that. But what if I do this here? Ha! Now I got it. Okay, now I need to take those a bit further in. Not that much though. Maybe rotate it a not that much. Where are the cat ears usually? Like, I don't know where they should. Are there like constant place where cat ears are usually placed in their heads? I need to do some other function than this because I need to. This will be very sharp edged, so I need to somehow shape it a bit. Maybe now it's okay. There is some kind of shape of cattish shape forming. Maybe we want to do some shading so it's not just a lump of nothingness. And for this, I will do first to get some base color. I just do this for now. And then I need the normal calculation here. Not Vec 3, but Scene. Let's just do this to avoid a lot of frustration. What?
Mission completed! We space riders were victorious. Our planet rejoices in welcoming back our hero conqueror.
And yes, cats are different. Their ears are on different places, depending which cat you are looking. So this cat has very sharp triangular ears. Right there where those are. So yeah. We can just accept that. Right. Yeah, what was I doing? Let's do a shiny cat.
The return of space riders.
Mhm. Okay, we have some shading on the cat. I just maybe do this bit differently. We can have another light source here. Let's use that one. The other way around. Yes. So yeah, now we see that the ears are a bit sharp, but it kind of looks like a cat already. Right? Okay, we can rotate the cat a bit because around y-axis. Very slow pace to see a meower. Yes, I like that definition. So yeah. Maybe we could subtract something from the ears to make it a bit like curvy. But that's a detail, so let's not focus on it right now. Instead, let's make eyes. Because cat has eyes. But then we need material IDs again, but I can set them here as well. Yes. Alright, yes, I can do it. Definitely I can do it here. Okay, let's put eyes on this meower. Meower. Meowers could be a demo group. I've used my brains too much today. But yeah, let's finish the cat. What we need for the eyes is again to actually take a symmetry. So we only need to do one. We don't need to do both two. So absolute value takes the symmetry of the space, and then we separate it a bit by subtracting a value from it. So this can be a cylinder. Like in the ducks, the iceware cylinder. And I know that I need to move those eyes a bit away from the thing. If eyes are smaller than body, I don't know, maybe that one. Yes. The eyes aren't part of the cat. Okay, what just happened? Oh, right. The cylinders are in wrong axis. Let's try to get some ellipse or some cylinder showing so we can debug the place. Put it somewhere where it belongs more than where it is now. So let's just do this. Okay. Those would be quite huge eyes, I think. Now I can see that better. Okay, yes. Now we need to move those somewhere. Let's stop the cat rotation for a bit so we can see it from this side. So we want these to be coming in front, so maybe something like this. Yes. Maybe something like this for now. Yeah, not working perfectly at the moment. Like, why? Well, let's debug that. Oh no, not that one. Wrong value. Wrong value. Now we can rotate this tiny bit. To see where we should move the eyes. Okay, that was too far. Yes, there it is. And then maybe do the bit similar thing with those, but with the eyes. And now we need to rotate it towards x-axis, so it will be YZ. And just very slight rotation. I should probably just carve a eyeball, like sockets for the eyes, actually, instead of doing this. Then I could use more easily spheres as eyes. Yes, that's exactly what I'm gonna do. We did this when we modeled a uncanny humanoid thingy. So we want a smooth subtraction, which would be like something like this. I'm copying this from IQ's here, this place. Smooth subtraction. So what we do here is that we, okay, yeah, do something like that. I can't explain that. I vaguely understand it, but I can't explain it. Okay. Let's just do very, very small spheres.
Hi satellites, this is Jean-Michel Jarre and you are listening to SceneSat Radio.
Okay, now head as head. I don't know what will happen. Okay. This seems better. Let's move the eyes further, like somewhere inside the head for a bit, to see if we have, or somewhere like completely different place. Okay, there are the eyes. For now, we have some sockets here. That's good. That's kind of uncanny. Okay. Maybe we want to move those bit upwards. Maybe. Maybe not that much. Something like this. Something like that. Yes. Yes. We don't need to do... We can do that as a sphere. With just... The sphere needs to be smaller than the eyes. And now it should go somewhere like 7. It should be a bit larger though. Yes. Bear with me. This might take a while. Okay, now we need to just do this thing. Why are you confused? What is the confusing part? Okay, now let's get the eyes on place. Those need to be bit. Everything, okay. Okay. Maybe I just don't do that. Maybe. Wait a sec. I was supposed to do it. Oh yeah, this explains a bit. And yes, this should be further up. Maybe this can be a bit not so deep. Or maybe this was good. Just need to get the ice more out. Not that much more out though. This could be larger. Okay, go there. It's a bit uncanny, but it has eyes. Right? Now it had a small nose. Maybe I should actually make this more smooth. Maybe it would make it look better. Or just more uncanny like this. Whiskers, yeah. That's nice. Challenge. Like, are the eyes in there, or are those? Huh. Well, maybe it is. Yes, maybe this helps a bit. I think that was like perfect amount. Nose and whiskers. Okay, the eyes are a bit deep in the sockets, but I think that's better now. Let's reset the rotation so we can add the nose. They should definitely be more further away from each other. And maybe a bit more upwards. Or like... Okay. Nose. I should probably not use cat as a function, as a variable when it's a function, even though there's no recursion here, but still. So nose would be somewhere here in the middle. So yeah. Nose.
What's wrong with you?
It's some kind of ellipsoid, maybe. Or it's like this kind of heart-shaped thing, but yeah. Ellipsoid is good enough for now. Let's start with this. Okay. Yes. Okay. Okay, now let's see, where are we with this? Okay, there it is. There's the nose. Okay, now just let's make a bit smaller nose. Okay, that's a good starting point for the nose. Now let's shape it a bit. It should be something like potato nose. Maybe not that much a potato, but a bit. Maybe I rotate this a bit. Again, let's change the viewing point a bit. Okay, I changed the background color a bit. Or like quite a bit. Ouch, that hurts my eyes. Not that much. Not that much. That's a good amount of. Maybe we do a green nose, then I can see it properly. No, the nose is poking from the eye socket. Ah. Yeah, let's not do that. 3. But assign this 3. Yes. Okay. I need better lighting. Okay, this is better for now. Yes. Now I want to rotate it along x-axis for this time for real. Just a bit upwards, so that if I just take it away from there a bit, so I can see the shape and what happens to it. And that wasn't the one value that I was supposed to change, but this okay. Sure. Hey, wait, Tiger, how are you? Also, let's do this for now. So we get the rotation for to affect a bit different place. The and now it just looks the same. So no, we actually want this kind of origin centered rotation. Sorry, but no. I like the shape better here. But I don't think this kind of... is yet good. Now maybe it's something more close to what a cat nose looks like. Yes. Let's rotate it a bit and see where it went. Yes, it's attached. It could be a bit more. Something like that. Okay. We are getting a cat here. Maybe we also want this to actually be the same material than that. Or we just find a good eye material for this. Okay. Also, I'm not gonna make the cat yellow. Now let's change the head to ellipsoid. So it will be a bit nicer. Maybe a bit nicer. That went well. Let's not do that. Not today. Today our cat is very sphery cat. Now we need the whiskers. How to make whiskers? Very thin lines. I could use the cylinder to make whiskers. Maybe like 3 whiskers here. So there's this, how did I do that? I want to repeat something 3 times with angle. Yeah, polar coordinates, maybe. No, I need to check that out. How did you do that? I've used polar coordinates, yes, but It always... I forgot how to change from Euclidean to polar coordinates. Or actually like spherical, well, yeah. And actually I need spherical coordinates because I'm in 3D. But not because I can still keep the z-axis. I just go around the z-axis, right? Right? So yeah, my polar coordinate thingy is... Maybe do another function for whiskers.
Establish contact with base Orion. Telecameras 3 and 4 working. Activate
Okay.
radio contact with the outside. Well, it's not a secret anymore.
So... Well, first let's do this basic thing before doing anything. So we get the radius by the square root of
This is the only one
and
in the
then
whole world.
we get the theta as 810. Or like 10 minus... No, it's not 810. Okay. One. So yes. Let's remember this one. Okay, and now instead of using this, we should use these values and z as a coordinate. Now I'm just curious about what happens if I do a I'm gonna again change the orientation of this cylinder because, yeah, we want those to be that way around. So one whisker should be something like very thin cylinder and something like that. And by the way, before we do this, we want to do the symmetry trick with the x-axis. And we want the amount to be something like something of float offset. Okay. Now let's see what happens if we try to add some whiskers here. Offset should be something like zero point. I don't know. 0.2 maybe? And then we see what happens. No, not here, but here. So 2 condition blocks here now. Okay, nothing. So let's just test with this first. Oh, right. We should, however, do this kind of tiny offset here. Something like this.
You're listening to Scene Set Radio.
Nothing. Okay. I can see some something there. There should be also more upwards. Not that much though. Somewhere there is a good place for whiskers, I think. And those just should be very much longer because cats have long whiskers. Very long whiskers, and this should be more because we're getting our epsilon value soon. Okay. Yes, the cat goes very... What the F is happening here? Okay. Now I should... now I should kind of... figure out how to use the polar coordinates in this context. Like how to. Yes. That goes to different space. There are a lot of little things there. And like if I repeat the space now. What will happen? I don't know if I need spherical coordinates here. Or kind of, yes. But I can use... Ah. I can use this kind of nice values here. Yeah, I'm just struggling with the conversion. Now here I should specify the angle, I think. Or like calculate how many repetitions I want. I want 3, so I need pi. I need pi here now. This is where I need some pi. Let's just copy paste some definitions here. Pi, tau, and phi. Or however you say that last one. Pi, phi, phi. It's phi. Yes. Yes. So whiskers here. So, angle, I should calculate it properly here. Two times pi, 3 repetitions. Now it goes around all the kind of, well, let's see how it goes. So here, half angle, half of the repetitions, right? Here, I'm checking a reference now because this is a bit hairy for me yet still. And now I do this. Let's modify this. Mhm. Now rotation matrix thing. Or not really, but kind of. And everything disappears to thin air. Yep. Now I get something that's a bit hairy cat. Why do 3 go like this? How would 3.5 go? Would go like that. 2.5? 2.7? 3.7 would be something like that. I want 3 repetitions of it, but I want those differently. I don't want it around like... I don't want it to be uniform around the whole thing. But I'm not really sure how to move from this. Yeah. It's a bit too wild now. What would this do? Even more mayhem. Now I try to understand this thing. Okay. Okay, yeah. Now it goes like that. Why is the eye color coming here? There's something wonky there. Yeah. Oh, right. I remember there was something like this going on with this thing. Okay, now I got those things showing here on the screen. Okay, they go inside the cat. Okay, that's a problem there. Missing whiskers. Okay, let's move you like way front. I mean front. Okay, now I think camera is starting to... Nah, not yet. Oh, I was thinking like why the camera is going wonky, but this is why. Shifting a bit all the time. Yes. What's with the whiskers? Okay. Well, if we get them better showing there, then show there. For Christ's sake. Uh-huh. Okay. Maybe this should be good now. Maybe. Just maybe. Maybe. I'm gonna be the one that saves me. What happens here? Like, why? Sorry, I'm frustrated. Okay, makes more sense. Hey, Skyla! Yeah, it seems like I have a wrong axis somewhere, but where? Like, I was trying to adjust this one. Did you have difficulties with the chat, Skyla? Oh my god, I'm sorry for that. Okay, one, don't do this. Yes. Okay, so let's skip the symmetry, I think. Yes. And let's skip this offsetting. And I think we have our solution here. Almost. No, let's not. Forget that offsetting. Let's just offset way less. What's happening here? Yes, let's move this away. This makes absolute no sense. Oh, I was resuming the time, not the... Yeah. Okay. What? Theme for tonight is cat. So there needs to be this kind of a offset there. God. Okay, let's do this for test. You see, if I do like this, okay. This is quite okay if I just get it to the place. Should I do this? Like, doesn't matter. Somewhere here? No? I don't think so. Yes, I don't think so.
Further field studies have provided fascinating results.
And if I do this, now we have two whiskers, two sets of whiskers. So we just keep the offset and just set them to place manually here, because I'm frustrated as little animal. It's like they keep growing until they... Oh, right. Because this is the length. Right. Now I'm kind of getting hang of it again a bit. I mean, 0.6 is good enough. 0.7, maybe 0.6 is good enough. Okay. Yeah, it's confusing. Let's not move the camera around. Let's fix the viewpoint to here. Thanks. Okay, and maybe... Well, now we are already looking there, so yeah. This helps me, because now those are not, like, going away. Okay. I can do this. What? How will... Why? I don't even... Okay, let's do this. Shaders are weird things. But this is like... Yes. It's y-axis that I'm moving. It kind of goes to outer space. And this scales it. So it doesn't act normally anymore. Okay. Now it's close. Almost. Okay. Now a little bit small. Down. Don't you dare to disappear on me. This is... Okay. Now let's check where we actually are. Like, are the whiskers even close? Close? No, not quite. Oh, yes. Those actually are quite nicely there. If you can call this nice, like... I know... Maybe I'll try some rotation tricks here. Also... Let's not do that. Let's maybe do this instead. Huh. Let's not do this at all. So apparently it didn't work because the Z was something else than 1. Which is just like... Why? Why? I have no more anything to left. All my beep are run out dry. Okay. This makes more sense though. Now I probably shouldn't need to do that. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. It rotates the whole thing because it doesn't have the symmetry now. Hey, now I know how I do this. I just get an idea. No! Should I do it after this? Doesn't actually matter because... But like after this... No? After... Yes, after this. No. This is like too late in the game and this is like too early in the game. Oh yeah, not before the rotation. Not before the rotation. God, no. Yeah. I'm not sure how this is even supposed to. Do anything. If I do this. Huh. But this is closer. I think this is like closest that I got. Aww. What if we do just everything? Every dimension. Let's take a symmetry of every dimension. Now I'm just having fun, like you probably can see. Now maybe some other angle.
Team 7, I repeat, readings on their flight. All data
Okay,
transfer is down.
not that.
What is your status? Abyss, respond. Adam Delta, conspiracy, report in. Cubicle, do you copy? Darklight, System K, we need to evacuate immediately. No readouts for excess of frequency. Loonies, Ewans, are you there? Non-oil, report. We have lost contact with still TGC interior side. I repeat, TLM, if
Okay.
you receive, please respond.
Okay, that's too much. Maybe only Y. Z? Now I'm just guessing. Like you can see. Okay. I think this is kind of closest that I can get with this. It's like angry cat. Not closest, but like almost closest. Actually, do I need this? If I do, it's easy to resurrect. No, I don't. And now? Yeah, probably something like this. Well, yeah, there is still like a lot of length differences there, but I could use the head shape to kind of cut, or like sphere to cut away everything that's not inside the sphere, I think. Yes, I can do that. Hacky, hacky, hacky times. more like cut. Something like that would be a good length for it. And now I do this because it's inside out sphere. I should do something like that. No. 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 Yes, better. Not perfect though. Which was good for you, like this one? No, no, not that one. Not that one. Oh, the whiskers to start from the cheeks or so. Yeah, it was something like this. No. 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 0.5. Yeah, like this, but now they start from the eyes, I think. This needs to be moved a bit downwards. Okay, that, and then let's move them a bit downwards. Whisker math. Not that much though. Okay, maybe I move the nose bit downwards too. Right, different coordinate system. Down, go down. Yes.
You're listening to Scene
Maybe
Set
it's
Radio.
now a bit less uncanny. Even though the whiskers are a bit what those are, but yeah. Here's ear rotation is here. Let's add some movement to ears. Actually, let's add this too, so that it kind of, the ears go a bit different ways. Let's do this. And then some colors. Let's add some colors there. And then box. We need to add box because cats like to be in boxes. So yes. But let's do some material. What colored cats are we gonna do? Also, it should have some kind of tail here. Let's do a tail and then material. Not a fan of the scar-filled look. Well, it's a bit not quite right. Yeah. I'm out of tea. This is whiskers function. Gonna make a function for tail. Tail. Tail will be a. It will be a. Not ellipsoid, but cylinder. Yes. Cats have quite long tails, so this is now this way around, and I'm gonna rotate it upwards, but it doesn't matter. Some kind of a quite thick and long tail. Okay, yep, there it is. Now let's rotate so that we can see the behind of the cat. I mean, yes. So let's put the tail where it's supposed to go. So yeah. Now we're gonna rotate it towards the Z axis. Something like that. Yes. Then we're gonna move it to the right place. No, not that one. Okay. Closer to where I want it. Maybe somewhere there. Okay. Now let's rotate it a bit. Also towards the XY. I want to rotate it to, yeah, see x-axis just a tiny bit. Let's just see how it goes. No, that was the right way though, but not probably this much, just a tiny bit. Yes, and maybe that way around. Yes. Yep. Yep. And then I should add some animation here. No, not here. Definitely not there. But I should get some animation to the tail, and it shouldn't be that thick. No, that was length. Well, that length is quite enough too, but something like that. And now we should make it a bit. Now we should bend it. Now I think the bending is the right thing to do. Or even twist. But yeah, let's do some cheap bending here. For the tail. I'm gonna probably at some point think how to do this with the rotation function that I have, but not now. Now I'm just gonna use this ready-made function, which gives me a rotation matrix here. This should be C though. This is this one. Okay, we bend it too much. Maybe we should have done this first. Okay. This is quite okay amount of bend. And now let's animate this. But now I just should keep that one there on place. And how to do that? Like just bend the other end of the cylinder. How to do that? I'm not sure how to do that. We could also do this. Nope. Maybe based on distance. Yeah, maybe based on distance. True. All right. Just doing this should be a twister. So it's a bit different. Maybe it could be a bit more suitable for this. No, it's not. But if we can do that, then what would do this? Now I'm a bit... something completely different. That's some kind of twisting thing too. But yeah, I want to bend it, so let's bend it. So yeah, maybe based on distance, but conditional forms here are the worst. So I need to smooth step somehow the distance from the... or step the distance from the What was the syntax in this? Googling is strong now. So yeah, edge, value. Okay. Lower edge should be something like 0 here. And then no. Distance to what? Between where's the I don't know. Because the P is same for the whole thing here. So based on distance, how should I change this? Based on in which end I am. Because I'm not sure if still like where I am. I need some value that's kind of absolute here. Not dependent on our coordinates. Well, I can take the distance between these two vectors, but it's not quite that different. I think. Well, there is a bit of the difference. Yes, I can see the difference there. But now both ends move more than the center point. And that's not what I wanted. Between the y coordinates, maybe. Which way around this is, by the way? What happens if I do the x coordinates? Works better though. Or maybe not. Huh? Maybe let's not add time here. Maybe we are enough screwed with this thing. I think now it's a bit wrong way around. Well, it's the same. Anyway. How about I do this? This also distorts the tail quite a bit, because this is kind of distorting operation. Yes. Let's move a bit so I can see my cat better. Yes, there is still things on attaching the tail to the cat. Yes, here, here, tail. Shouldn't be that much. Okay, now I think it's attached. Okay, yeah. Now we can fine-tune the angles here. Yes. Now it's definitely attached to the cat. No, not that way around. Or like this way around. Okay. Yes. Okay. All I want is that okay, now there's some movement that's not too wonky, I think. And now it is. Definitely. Alright, this should be multiplication. Never mind. I just think why it's not smooth. Okay, that's why it's not smooth. Mhm. Because this shouldn't be like this. Should be something like this. And then the other stuff should be here. Mhm. Okay, just do this. It kind of moves more from the other end than where I want it to move. Yeah. Nope. Shouldn't do anything. If I just now swap it, like all the way around. I think now it would just like crash and burn. I just have to do this even though I know it doesn't make any difference, but because, yeah, why not? I want to flip this around. But in which axis? Y axis. Yes. And then Z-axis. And let's not do anything. Okay, we're just gonna put it to the box. So we're just happy that it has a tail. Right. Right. Let's not look the behind. And let's make the tail a bit longer. Yes. Yes, smoke and mirrors, very much. Yes. Maybe that will do. Just think, like, does this do like anything at all here? I know it does, but still. Yes, it does. There's something there. Not much though, but still something. Yes. It has a tail. That one matters. Okay. No, I think I have to check the behind as well to see what happened. No. Hey, wait. I wasn't supposed to do twister. But a bend. Did I accidentally left the twister thing here? X, Y, Z. Nope. Now we need to kind of reposition the tail again. Because why not? Nope. Wait. What? What just happened? Making cat is harder than making a dog. My take on this. Yes. No. I spent a week on a bunny in 4K, so a cat will take as long. Okay, yeah. That's good to know. That's good to know. Then we will move this parameterization stuff. Right. Here. So it's not the cat's problem to put its tail to place. Should probably do the same with whiskers, but nah. Okay, the color of the cat will be something else than yellow. Hehe, it could be orange. Nah. Let's do a grey cat. Shiny grey cat. Maybe something... Or should we do a pink cat because... Or a black cat? Let's do a black cat. Almost black cat. Now the eyes are actually quite nice there. But I should still do like... Order this around a bit differently. Like I'm gonna have the body well, I think this is quite okay already. Yeah. Okay. Black for nose, orange for eyes. Maybe make them just a tiny bit more yellow. Yes. Box. So we have a cat there, and then we have a box, which is something. Box head cat. Okay, now we have a model of the box that we are gonna make. It should have a bit more, yes, like that, and then it should be a bit tighter, yes, like that. Which material ID I haven't yet used? 3. Okay. we're gonna carve the box empty. Which is basically is it just like this? Nope. Nope, it wasn't. Probably more like this. Yeah, I thought this couldn't be the right way to do this either. Well, we can just make another primitive and well, yeah, let's carve out another box from this. Okay. This doesn't work. It does, but it had its flaws. Okay. Alright. It needs this to be like Okay. Hee. There is our cat in a box. Yay! We did a cat in a box. Now let's do the rest. I want nicer color for the box, which is like something red, maybe something magenta-ish. Oh yeah, this is nice. Purple box and cat. If I really wanted, I would do different colors for the boxes and cats, but I'm afraid I'm not up for that now. Let's do many cats still. So yeah.
The ultimate geek station.
Oh, the cat came close. Aww. Now I see what's wrong with the whiskers, by the way. It's very smoke and mirrors. It's perspective thing that those look like they look. Okay, now let's add the fog here as well. Let's maybe do a bit different kind of setup for this. Color-wise. Or are these like cats from heaven? I don't know. Maybe those are. Let's maybe do a bit more greenish fog. Less to go with this. Not that much though. Darker fog. Maybe a bit more colder light. Not like that though, but more like this. mildly warm. Maybe a tad more bluish, a tad more. Okay, now it's not too much apart from the color that we have here. We can also use this for this. Okay, not really. But if we use this here, we need to use this, so yeah. Yeah. This is more properly lit now. Okay. Now draw rest of the cat. Yes, like with the duck. Now we should just draw rest of it. I need to change the angle a bit because it's a bit not that nice now. Yeah. Infinite cats. Okay. Yes. There's the scene. There is the scene. I want to do something with the scene. We send the cats away. Cats on the tiny trolleys, they are infinite. And that whiskers thing shows so badly here. So let's change the angle a bit. Yeah. Not quite directly, almost. It's a roller coaster for the cats. Now I could also do this. infinite fleet of cats. Or this. Oh, the offset isn't enough. No, there's fleets of cats. So I see that our cat is bit yeah. The cat army has come for us. With their strange detached whiskers and blank gloomy eyes, which could actually glow. I guess we can do that. So why not? It should be something like bit greenish. Bit greenish light that they should glow. Okay. Infinite cats with infinite glowing eyes. Yeah, I know. It's like just small details sometimes count so much. But I'm gonna tune it down a bit because it's a bit... Yeah, I think that's... Now maybe better? Yeah. No, it was better. This way. Only like lightly tuned out. Nah, let's not tune it down. It's beautiful as it is. Okay. It's already late. But like I said, it's very, very much harder to do a cat than duck. It's kind of spooky now when the ears and the like tails are moving synchronized and the whiskers, but of course, if I want to do this scene better, if I want to use more time for it, I would still go and calculate repetition ID for the cats, then use that ID to kind of variate the movement a bit so that it's not same with all the cats, and then also change the color based on that. But I think this is quite okay for today. So yeah, it's Halloween mood in general. Yes, indeed it does. Speaking of Halloween mood, I'm probably doing a Samhain special music stream. Probably on Saturday 13th. And I have this form open where you can request some new songs or, well, basically whatever you like. Not whatever you like, but new songs, and give feedback to me. That's what I was about to say. And next stream will be Tuesday. It will be music stream. My schedule is all haywired because I don't know yet how the work is gonna be, but that's something we can live with. But if you have some song request for the Samhain stream, there is the link for the form. Also, I hope to see you all Tuesday. Yeah. Tuesday evening, 6 o'clock my time. So 5 p.m. on Central European time. Okay. So yeah. I think that's it for today. I'm checking out if some nice people are streaming. No, is streaming. So let's go say hi to no, who is a friend of mine, and yeah, have a nice Friday evening, and thank you so much for being here. See you on Tuesday with more brain power. Thank you for watching. And also there is raid call. You can copy paste that and paste it to the chat of Nunu when we get there.